One moment. That's all it takes to turn your ride and your day upside down.
But don't worry, I have some good news. I found the best solution to get us back on the road as quickly as possible. This is Hovee's Auto Body and Paint, located right here near Woodland Hills, California. These folks have been in the business for over 4 decades, which means they've seen and fixed it all. The team here at Hovee's are experts in their field. They know how much we cherish our road trips, and they're dedicated to getting our cars repaired efficiently and effectively. Whether it's a minor dent or major collision damage, Hovee's Auto Body and Paint has the experience and skills to restore your car to its best condition. With their top-notch service, you can trust that your car will be in great hands. And the best part? You'll be back on the road in no time, ready for your next adventure.